If you have access to the Facebook performance bonus, but you're earning just a few dollars per day, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to 5x your earnings in as little as 24 hours. I'll show you an engagement framework that you can start using today and replicate on any page to start making more money from the bonuses. My name is Lester Diaz, and over the past few years, I've worked with some of the biggest content creators in the world, teaching them how to build, grow, and monetize their brand on Facebook. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path on how to make more money from the performance bonus by just applying very simple techniques that we've been testing over the past few months across multiple Facebook pages. We actually got this question from one of our members inside of our Facebook community for content creators. If you are a Facebook content creator and you're looking to level up your skills, learn more about how to actually increase your revenue for your Facebook pages, how to make more money from your videos, get access to support, training, coaching calls, then go ahead and check out viewstomoney.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description below for more information. Now let's talk about what is the Facebook performance bonus and how it works. In a nutshell, the Facebook performance bonus is bonus provided by Meta to entice more engagement inside of Facebook. They're paying content creators to simply create more engagement by posting more videos, more posts, and more text. The more engagement you get, the more money you can make. However, this is by invitation only. It's not a reliable way to make money on Facebook because if you don't get the invite, you're not gonna be able to take advantage of these bonuses. The other issue is that you might get the bonus 1 month and you might not get it the following month, or you might not even get paid the full amount of the bonuses because they have reviewed your page and noticed that some of the engagement is not qualifying for the bonuses. The other issue as well is that it is not available in every single country. Some countries might have access to the bonuses while others don't have that option available. So it's really not a reliable way to make money from Facebook. The most reliable way to monetize your stuff on Facebook is by utilizing videos and reels and qualifying for the different monetization tools that Facebook has available. Now, before I show you the engagement framework that is gonna skyrocket your bonus earnings in the next 24 hours, let's talk about the main reasons why you're probably not making money from the bonuses right now. The first reason is that you probably don't have a lot of followers. Facebook pages with maybe less than 10,000 followers are not gonna get a lot of engagement. So you definitely need to increase the number of followers, and definitely some of the pages that I've seen that have been able to hit the bonuses every single month, getting thousands and thousands of dollars in revenue, is basically because they have a lot of followers. Typically they have over 100,000 followers on their page, and every single time they post, they're able to generate thousands of people leaving comments, liking, and sharing their posts. Now, there might be another reason why you're not getting that much engagement and not making as much money from the bonuses, and that is mainly because of low engagement. And like I said, low engagement is very different depending on whether you have lots of followers on your page or your page has been inactive for a very long time. Some of the pages that have received the bonuses are pretty much pages that have not been posting that much. So Facebook is basically enticing these content creators and these pages to say, hey, you should definitely post more, because if you post more, we'll pay you these bonuses. The problem is these pages have been sitting inactive for weeks and months. So building that engagement back to the page takes time. It's not something that is built overnight. Now, the last reason why you're probably not making that much money from the Facebook bonuses is because of untargeted followers. What I mean by that is there's been a lot of people reaching out to me asking me, hey Lester, do you have any Facebook pages with bonuses that we can post content and make money from the bonuses? The issue with that is if you have Facebook pages with, let's say, 100,000 followers about fitness, and you're getting people to just post on your page just for the sake of making more money from the bonuses, the issue is they're gonna be posting a lot of non-related content to a very niche specific page, and that's not gonna generate the engagement you need in order to make money from the bonuses. So make sure that before you actually start implementing this engagement framework, that you understand why you're not making money from the bonuses. All right, so let's talk about the engagement framework. What exactly is this and how does it work? Well, what you need to do is it's a combination of specific content designed for your page along with running Facebook ads. Whenever I do this with any of my Facebook pages, the engagement just blows up in the next 24 hours. And it works like this. First, you need to identify top performing posts for your Facebook page. And we're gonna be talking specifically about text and photos, not videos. We're not trying to make money from videos. We're trying to essentially make money from the bonus, and the more engagement we get organically within the Facebook page, the more money we'll be able to make. So if you want to make more money from the bonuses, you have to most likely double or triple your posting per day in order to generate more engagement. But it has to be the right type of engagement. You can't just be posting random stuff. It has to be stuff that can generate that engagement you need for your Facebook page. And it's actually targeted for your followers. So I'm gonna give you 3 different examples of what I'm talking about so you understand the idea of how to create this high engagement post. So let's say you have a fitness page. The best type of text posts that are gonna work to generate lots of engagement for your page, depending on how many followers you have and whether your page has a decent reach, is by just start asking questions and getting your followers to engage with your post. The more questions you ask, the more likely you are to generate engagement. So you start simply just asking questions, and this could be just text posts like, for example, what is your favorite workout? Do you prefer to work out in the morning or the evening? What is this exercise called? What is this machine called? And you start posting and creating your own memes and photos as well. And the goal is to increase your posting frequency for both photos and text posts. You can also do inspirational or motivational memes and text and just see what your audience responds to. Now, this is for the fitness space as an example, but let's say you have a cooking page. You can ask questions like, what is your favorite snack before going to bed? You can ask, what do you guys think about this breakfast? And you start asking these questions to get people to respond to. And essentially what we're trying to do, again, is to generate that engagement. The more engagement you start building up, the better your earnings are going to be. And you follow the same framework of following up with text posts and also images, like posting cooking memes and posting all this stuff that is going to be related to what your page is about. And I always encourage you to create your own photos, to not just download stuff from the internet and upload it on your page, because probably that's gonna hurt you more and it's not gonna be a way for you to make more money, because you could get hit with a violation on your page and get demonetized. Another example is, let's say you have a travel page. You can start asking questions. What is your favorite destination to travel to? You can do polls like beach, mountains. Do you like to visit Mexico? What is your favorite spot in Mexico? You can start asking all these questions to basically get people to engage. And you can post photos of different locations and ask questions like, have you guys ever visited this place? Have you guys been in this hotel? And basically that generates all this engagement. But again, it has to be targeted for your followers on Facebook. And we're looking for top performing posts. Whenever we find that top performing post, then we can move on to the following step of the engagement framework. So you do this for the next 24 hours, 48 hours, and you post maybe 4 or 5 times in the next 24 hours. That's gonna give you some idea of which post is doing better, whether it's a photo post or a text post. And once you identify one that's doing well, meaning getting more comments, more shares and likes than the other ones, then we're gonna be using that as our Facebook ad. And what we're trying to do is essentially bring new followers using that top performing post. You can run a Facebook ad for maybe 7 days. You don't need to do this for 14 days. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You can run a Facebook ad for maybe $3 to $5 per day. And essentially what we're trying to do is get new followers to the page. We're gonna be more inclined to respond and engage with these type of posts. So if you're using a photo post, these followers that come to your Facebook page, these new followers, are more likely to also engage with future photo posts that you do on your page. If you're asking a question and you're getting people to respond and you're getting people to follow your page because of this text post, these followers are more likely to respond and comment and basically share text posts from within your Facebook page. So you use the top performing posts to attract the type of follower you want for your page. And like I said, the goal is not to get 10,000 followers in 7 days, is to just bring that additional engagement and new eyeballs to the page so that your page is promoted more as you post organic content. If you follow this framework over the next 7 days, you will start noticing more reach, more engagement overall for your entire page. As you post more and more organic posts, you will see that your earnings will start to go up, and most likely you will be able to 5x your earnings. We implemented this exact same strategy that I'm talking about with one of my clients, and she went from basically making like $10 per day to making pretty much $60 to $70 per day just from the bonuses alone, just because she wasn't posting that many photo posts or text posts. And we just implemented this small strategy of using Facebook ads combined with top performing posts. We brought in lots of targeted followers over about 7 days. And now her engagement for organic posts, text posts, and photo posts is actually going up steadily every single day. But like I said, relying on the Facebook bonuses, it is not the best strategy because they can take it away at any time. They've actually done this in the past. You can watch some of my older videos where you can see that they have provided bonuses for posting reels. You can see some of my older videos where I talk about some of the past bonuses for reels and other type of bonuses that they have launched. And honestly, it is not the best way to monetize a Facebook page. If you want to find out what is the best strategy to actually make a 6-figure income and make $5,000, $10,000 per month with Facebook, then go ahead and watch this video right here where I break the entire process step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.